be the vehicle you're looking for. It's powered by all-wheel drive, a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include an EcoBoost engine, internet connectivity, hill start assist, electric trunk, push-button start, heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM satellite radio, an auxiliary input, remote start. Safety was made a priority with these features: a backup camera, curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, parking sensors, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Sunshine Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 40 Route 17K, Newburgh, New York 12550.